Hello everybody and welcome to the all new Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwali wa Magi. I am glad you have joined me in this very first lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu. The objective of this audio is to assist anyone who is keen to learn the Kikuyu language, which is one of the many languages spoken in Kenya. This audio will expose the learner to as many vocabularies as possible to help them understand, pronounce, write, and therefore gain the skills to be able to effectively speak the language. This is Mwali wa Magi again with Let's Learn Kikuyu. Our first checklist in this audio is the alphabet. Unlike the Latin alphabet, which has 26 letters, the Kikuyu alphabet uses a fraction of the letters, including A, B, C, G, H, K, M, N, R, T, W, Y. Of course, I'm pronouncing them in English, but as we continue this audio, we'll reveal how they are pronounced in Kikuyu. Now, on to the vowels. The Kikuyu language vowels are A, E, O, U, E, O, and I go again. A, E, O, U, E, O. Here I'm going to mention also that there are cases of double vowels, which we shall catch up with as we go along. We shall see how the vowels are combined with the other letters of the alphabet to form syllables. In this channel, we want to keep it simple as we learn how to speak Kikuyu. This audio will focus more on the commonly used syllables, which are more of a rule than the exception. In order to be able to pronounce and read in Kikuyu, I would put an emphasis on practicing how to pronounce the syllables. I am now going to introduce them. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. I go again. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. Sa, se, si, so, su, se, so. Again. Sa, se, si, so, su, se, so. Ga, ye, gi, go, gu, ge, go. Again. Ga, ye, gi, go, gu, ye, go. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu, he, ho. Again. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu, he, ho. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko. Again. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me, mo. Again. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me, mo. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. Again. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro. Again. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru, ro. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. Again. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. Wa, we, we, wo, wu, we, wo. Again. Wa, we, we, wo, wu, we, wo. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ye, yo. Again. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ye, yo. We are now going to look at another set of syllables, and this time have 3 letters in them. We are going to start with ba, mbe, mbi, mbo, bu, mbe, mbo. Again. Ba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu, mbe, mbo. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu, nde, ndo. Again. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu, nde, ndo. Nja, nje, nji, njo, nju, nje, njo. Again. Nja, nje, nji, njo, nju, nje, njo. Nga, nye, nyi, ngo, ngu, nye, ngo. I go again. Nga, nye, nyi, ngo, ngu, nye, ngo. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyo. I go again. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyo. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ge, go. I go again. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ge, go. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu, ve, vo. I go again. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu, ve, vo. Moi, mwe, mui, mo, mu, mwe, mo. I go again. Moi, mwe, mui, mo, mu, mwe, mo. And thank you for listening. It's my hope that you will practice these syllables in readiness for the coming up soon audios. But next, we will have a look at the numbers. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to my channel. Let's learn Kikuyu for more audios. Cheers!